In my last video, I showed you how to sprout green whole moong bean in very simple, easy way. If you missed it, I've dropped the link in the description below, so do check that out. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple wrap out of sprouted moong bean. It's very easy and very healthy. If you have the sprouted moong bean already at home in your refrigerator, all you have to do is just grind it and make a wrap out of it. So that's what I'll be showing it to you. So let's get started. Welcome to ShinewithShobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this, you'll need moong sprouts, which is easily made at home. Green moong is healthy by itself, but when you sprout them, the nutritional benefits are doubled. This sprouted moong dal dosa wrap is an instant high-protein, low-fat meal, great for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I'm adding 2 cups of sprouted moong directly into the blender. I'm using Ninja blender. You can use any grinder. Add 1/2 inch ginger piece, 2 green chillies, 1 string curry leaves, 1 red dry chili, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 small onion chopped. The flavors are going to turn amazing. To this, add a dash of hing, asafoetida, which will help with digestion. Now add 3/4 to 1 cup of water and grind it to a fine paste. The consistency should not be too runny. I'm sharing the flavors of my home. If you prefer less spicy, you can skip adding chilies. This consistency is perfect, a pourable consistency. It's good to make plain dosa, savory pancake or crepe. It's instant and no fermentation required. This is beautiful. But to add a little bit of crispness, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of rice flour. This will help to bring out the crispy texture. This is optional, but I like to add for some crispness. This is how my mom used to make it, so I'm just going to bring all the flavors, mix it well, and it should be a smooth batter. Heat a pan or tawa, add 2 drops of oil and sprinkle a bit of water. Wipe it using a paper towel. Lower the heat, pour a ladle full of batter or another scoop and spread it quickly like a crepe. I grew up having this for my breakfast with chutney, or my mother used to pack them for school lunch. Packed with protein along with the spicy flavor. I loved it. Now turn the flame to medium and add 1/2 teaspoon of oil around and let it cook under cover for 30 to 40 seconds or until it starts to brown a bit. See, this is how it should look, and you don't have to flip it, but I just like to do it, and I'm just going to flip it and plate it. This is so yummy, and I'm going to turn it into a wrap. Spread some hummus on top. You can make it by yourself or buy it from store. Just to kick in some extra, flavor, I'm adding hummus. You can add any chutneys. Now add your favorite roasted veggies. I'm adding mini sweet pepper, which I quickly roasted using air fryer. I've been using my air fryer for many fun, healthy recipes. Check it out if interested. This is great for kids and a wonderful weekend wrap for the whole family. Enjoy it as a quick, healthy meal any time of your day or pack it for lunch. The sweetness of peppers along with hummus and the spicy sprouted moong dal dosa is so yummy. For those days when you're looking to make something different and tasty, here's a sprouted moong dal dosa wrap, which you're going to love it. If you don't want to sprout it, simply soak the dal and grind it, but do give it a try. Let's give it a try. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobs.